I don't know when it comes to Vlogmas because I
It's
can't
not Vlogmas.
vlog. Folks, I don't know when it comes to Vlogmas if I could make a video every day. I
For
can't
24
cope with
days?
that. Huh?
For 24 days?
No, I can't cope with that.
What day is today, Joe?
I barely could make once a week. You want to make one every day. You're crazy.
Joe, what day is today? What the date?
5th, 6th, something like that. I don't know.
It's the 8th.
I got what? I got
19 more days.
what? I can't do 19 more videos. You're crazy.
No, that's until my birthday.
What?
It's the 8th. You got 13.
I don't even know what to do for one a week, and you want me to do one every day.
I thought you were a content creator.
I'm a content creator, but I go slowly.
So where you going now?
I go into the gym and they're driving me out the house. Yeah, I go to the
Nobody
gym because you make too much noise when I'm taping.
Oh my God,
and blah,
did
blah,
not say that.
So you know
This
what?
is the one
I go
day I
to the
didn't
gym.
say that.
They want me out of the house, so I go to the gym. Bye, people. See you guys later. Bye bye.
Bye, boo.
Is that one? I got ya.
That's actually funny.
Does that count?
I'll put that on the end. For me?
You guys are special.
Oh wow, it feels like when the penguin brings the stone. Nothing is as refreshing as coconut water straight from the coconut.
What do you say about coconut water?
It's good for your daughter. Cocoa got a lot of iron. Make you strong like a what?
Like a lion.
Uh-huh. Coconut woman is calling out, and everywhere you can hear her shout. Get your coconut water, 445. Man, it's good for your daughter, 445. Cocoa got a lot of iron, 445. Make you strong like a lion, 445. It used to be 445, eh?
I can't talk right now.
Joe is so gosh darn confused because sometimes for Vlogmas we are taping segments out of sequence. And then when I tell the story, I drop them in a different sequence, and he don't know where he at.
She want me to end my show. I thought I already end my show because I was talking in her show. I thought mine ain't ending.
That's my show. That's my show.
Yeah, I can't even find something to end my show. What?
So there was a thing
What?
that Tracy sent me a TikTok where this guy was pulled over and arrested for changing his tire on the side of the road while being black. And she sent it to me because you know that happened to you. May the 31st, 2002.
They still doing that?
I remember the date. May the 31st, 2002. Joe pulled over on the side of the road with a friend, and he was changing. Well, he didn't change his tire. The caliper or something came
Caliper
off.
was coming off.
So he was tightening something.
I had to take the wheel out.
And then when he heard, drop what you have in your hands. And he had the tire iron. So he dropped it. And he's thinking to himself, I'm getting robbed on the side of the freeway now? And it was the Popo. And they accused him and his friend of robbing a bank. And Joe did a move that today, day and time, I don't think I would have advised you to do that move.
I know.
But back then, Joe told them, search my car. I have no money. I have a part back there that I went to go pick up for my business. They still threw them to the floor. They didn't put no knee in their neck or nothing like that, but just get down on the floor. Right. Joe's phone busted up on the freeway, so he couldn't call us or anything. Joe says, I'm a business owner. I just opened my business. I went to go get a part. And that's all I have in my car. Nowadays, you can't do that. Let them get a warrant because they could go plant money.
Yeah, that's true. Or
plant drugs. They could plant weapons. They could plant anything in your car. But Joe was like so forthcoming. He's like, search. I have nothing. What? What? Where's this money at though? So they searched.
They could set you up.
Yeah, they could set you up. They searched and they put him and his friend still handcuffed in the back seat of the squad car. And then they sent for a supervisor and all type of stuff. The supervisor came down. Was he a black guy?
Yeah.
He was a black guy, right? He looked in the car and he goes, that ain't them, cut them loose. But they still took pictures of them. And I feel like Joe will like end up in a mug book somewhere. You know, it's like, why? So we know that pain. That guy got brutally attacked by this female. But she didn't know that the guy's brother or cousin was filming. Because he started to film first when she roughed him up. And I guess the phone fell to the ground. And that's when you saw him on the ground and the phone is taping him on the ground. Then the brother started to tape. And so she's in some big trouble right now because they have video evidence. You have to have video evidence all the time. That's why we have that camera in the car, right?
And what they would do, they turn off their camera and say,
oh, they turn off for their camera, but if your camera is going, and when it comes to those dash cams,
they're not supposed to turn it off. But they do.
You got to pull the footage off of those dash cams right away, though, because they keep recording over and over in a loop, and we don't have a big memory in it. Maybe we need to put a bigger memory in that one, Joe. But it's like, she remembered what happened to Joe, so she sent it to me. And I was like, wow. All right, Joe, so this is for your Vlogmas Day 8. Go ahead and wrap it up, baby.
Folks, I stand here and eat all my food because I couldn't get away. You won't sit down. But I want to thank you guys for subscribing, share, and what else? I missed something? Subscribe, share.
You say it backwards. Like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment.
Like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment.
Because we need the like first.
Right.
The share second. Subscribe third. Because you can still watch without subscribing and we're still okay.
It's true.
It's the view that counts, right? And then the like gets you into the algorithm because it tells YouTube that it's content that you're liking, right? And then, of course, the comments is the next engagement that tells YouTube that, hey, these people like this content. Okay?
So folks, thank you guys for doing all that. Like I always say, without you guys, I can't do it. So thank you guys.
Alrighty. Bye.
Bye-bye, folks. Folks, come back tomorrow to see these beautiful lights.